Hello everyone and welcome back to yet another video on my YouTube channel mrbdoeselectronics. So in this video we'll be taking a look at the JioTag Go. This is an upgraded Bluetooth BLE version of the JioTag, previous JioTag from the house of Jio. So without wasting any more time, let's dive right into the unboxing experience. So in true Mr. B fashion, let's take a look around the box first. The JioTag Go, the Jio branding and the 4 colors are presented at the front of the box. I went for the black color because it is more subtle than all the other colors and it will get less dirty. Around the box there is the slogan, the JioTag Go, and this is the Android version, mind you. There is also an iOS version and again the JioTag Go, and on the back we can see that 2,999 rupees, 3,000 is written. I'll put the price up top right now at which I bought. Other than that, there is also the Google Find My device with which this device works. Other than that, there is a 1-year long battery life. It works with the JioThings app. It also has a button so that you can find the phone itself if you cannot locate the phone but have the tag itself in hand. So that's all about the box. Now let's get into the thing and unbox it. Nothing special about the box itself. It's a small device, it's a small packaging, and nothing stands out immediately when you start unboxing it. So as soon as you unbox this thing, we get greeted by this little pamphlet which is stuck on a foam, which gives you the option to download either the JioThings app with which this tag works, of course, and also the Find My device on your Android devices. Other than that, there are these two documentation, the warranty and the quick start guide. Let's put those to the side right now and focus on the device itself. So this is the little guy, the little thing, the JioTag itself. Let's take it out, and we've got the Jio branding on one side, and there's an extra CR2032 battery and a double-sided tape so that you can stick this tag on any surface when the included lanyard won't come handy. Let's put everything aside for now because those we won't be needing. We'll be focusing on the tag itself. So now let's quickly whip up the scale because let's face it, it's a tracker and we would like it to be as small as possible, and the size is 3.82 by 3.82 centimeter by approximately 7 centimeter of thickness. It's a small guy. And even though the JioTag is an all plastic build, it's light as a feather, but whenever you hold it in your hand, you get that it's a quality product. You don't feel that it is going to break. And this is my Apple Watch Series 3, 38mm. I mean, you can see like how big or small the JioTag itself is and how thin it is. This is just to give you an idea. It's not an ideal comparison by any means, but it's what I had at hand. That was all about the outside of the JioTag Go. Now let's quickly open it up. We have a notch over here where you can just put your fingernail and just gently pry the top part off. And this is the inside, and we can see that we already have a fitted CR2032 battery inside, and these are the 2 pins that touch onto this part so that the buzzer works. And there is also an arrow so that you can line up those arrows while closing up the plastic part of the cover. And there is also the button. Let's see over here. Yeah, there it is. There's a small button, a small pin just goes and presses that inside, and this is how the lanyard is fitted. So let's match those arrows and press to close it up. And now let's open the Find My device app and pair this tracker to my account. So to pair it up, you have to install the Google Find My device app from your Play Store if it is not already installed. And as soon as you install, it will ask you to log into your existing account. And then to pair, you just have to hold the button for a few seconds, and you saw that the orange LED blinked and we got this fast pair option and it vanished, but you can just bring it back by pressing once again and press connect on your device itself. I mean the phone or the tablet that you're using to pair it up. And this is the disclaimer section. To use it responsibly, please do that. Don't use it for any nefarious purpose. After that, the option to store locations, you have to allow it, and then it will take some time. It will pair it up. You have to add your device to the Find My network. I will tell you more about what it is and how this device actually works. And I fast forward this section. It took a bit of a time, but it did get attached to my account and paired to this device itself. So as soon as the pairing process is finished, you get greeted with these few options like play sound and share the device and a few more. So as soon as you press on play sound, after a bit of a time, a few seconds, it will start playing a random beeping sound, tone, if you can hear it right now. And to dismiss it, you cannot dismiss it from the mobile device itself. You have to press the button on the JioTag itself to dismiss it. And you will get a message on the device or the phone that the sound has been stopped. And here you can see the live location of the JioTag itself. So this is how these kind of trackers work. So this will be using the various Android devices out there in the whole world as the peer-to-peer network. That is how it works. This is connecting. This doesn't have any GPS or anything like that. It works through Bluetooth LTE, and whenever it connects, as it is paired to my Google account, it will show up in my phone using the peer-to-peer network of all the Android devices throughout the world. So we have got a similar device for iOS also. And in iOS we have, I think, the point-to-point direction also, but in Android we don't have that. So that is the main difference. Other than that, everything is more or less the same. So this is quite a simple device. If you have keys, remote, bike, luggage, anything, wallet, anything that you want to track the location or you forget from time to time, you can easily take one of these. It fits in the palm of your hand very easily, and it can be hidden. It is lightweight, 1 year of battery life, CR2302 battery which can be easily changed, provided in the box, no charging, no hassle like that. What's there not to like? I will be using this on my trip, upcoming trip, to track my luggage. So I'll return back and then give you an update on how well it worked, what happened through the airport security and all of that, if they allowed it or not. So don't forget to subscribe, like and share to not miss any of these update videos. Until then, it's Mr. P, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.